I'm here with the Sonos Move. This is Sonos's first portable speaker. It is both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it retails for $399. It does come with a base for that price that would sell separately for $80. It's a bit expensive, but it is bigger than the Sonos One. A little bit larger speaker, puts out more sound, and it does have some features that the Sonos One doesn't have. It has a special auto-tune feature that tunes the sound for any environment. That's whether you're in a room like this or if you take it outdoors. It has buttons on the top that allows you to control the speaker, and it has buttons on the back that allow you to connect the speaker to your Sonos system. There's also a special Bluetooth button that if you press and hold it, it then goes into pairing mode, so you can pair any Bluetooth-enabled device to it. It is IPX56 certified. That means that it is splash-proof with a hard splash. It is also dust-resistant and shock-resistant. You can drop this thing from about 6 feet and it should survive. If you are out and about and you don't have the dock nearby, it does also charge via USB-C. It gets 10 hours of battery life at moderate volume levels. As far as other design features, it does have built-in handle. It's nicely integrated. Probably carry the speaker more down here. It does have a little bit of heft to it. It weighs in at 6 pounds, so it's not too heavy, but you can get a little bit of a workout lifting it up and down like this. If it is within range of your Wi-Fi network, it will use Wi-Fi. It does have what Sonos says is its most powerful Wi-Fi chip it's used so far in a speaker. And then of course you can use Bluetooth. Like some of Sonos's other recent speakers, this is voice enabled, is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Voice Assistant, and you can switch between the two, but you cannot use both of them at the same time. Another feature that's on other Sonos voice-enabled speakers, there is a microphone button on top. If you hit that button, you can turn off the mic so you can have some privacy. As you might imagine, since this speaker is bigger than the Sonos One, it does play louder, it does deliver bigger, richer sound. It's not on the level of the Sonos Play 5, so this kind of sits in between the Sonos One and Play 5. If you can afford it, you could pair two of these together, make a stereo pair. You cannot pair it with other Sonos speakers and make a stereo pair, but you can obviously link it into your Sonos system. Some other recent Sonos speakers, there's been a feature called TruePlay, a calibration feature that allows you to walk around when you're in a room with an iOS device, uses that microphone to calibrate your system. This has something different. It's called Auto TruePlay. And what it does is have the microphones built into the speaker so you don't have to walk around the room. It auto-tunes based on where the speaker is and in whatever environment. Right now the speaker only comes in this color. It's called Shadow Black. It's a little bit different than Sonos's other black speakers. It's designed to not get too hot if it's sitting out in the sun. So a slightly different color black than other Sonos speakers. This comes out on September 24th. We look forward to getting it in-house and testing it against both other Sonos models and competing models. It is a little pricey at $400. Some of those competing models are more in the $300 to $350 range, but we'll see how this one stacks up. That's been a quick look at the Sonos Move. Thanks for watching.